Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Daftari and you are watching Learn with KD. So guys, I again requested you to send me DMs for whether you wanted the theory part or not. So yes, I received ample amount of requests, so I will be posting my own handwritten theory notes. I had written that, so I will share that. I have not written of all the chapters, but those of the chapters which are relevant to the examination, that is there, that is all covered. And with that I will also attach, there is this one sir from where I got the important question list. So I'll just say that that is not mine, but that will be relevant to you, so you can refer that also. That is applicable for September 25 as well as Jan 26 attempt, right? So you can see that. And also one more thing, to get all of these stuff, I have prepared one what do you say, Telegram channel or something. So you just have to go in the description box or comment section, wherever. I'll just put that link. Click on that and you will be directed to that channel, and then you just have to download all the notes and you can study aram se. There is no tension, there is no hurry. Just do it as per your speed, and the theory is optional, but you should do it once, just so that if you don't know any question you can just attempt it, just for the sake of backup. So that will be my last benefit, like last help which I can do to you. Again, I'll be posting some other videos as well, but since you requested this I have done. And the second one, the joint product and byproduct one question you asked, the important one, that is a Cadbury question. I think I have it. Yeah, I have that also. I'll put that also in the Telegram channel only. So make sure you are in that channel. That is a public channel. I'll create that today only. And what else? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because I have seen you are watching, you are not liking, you're not subscribing it, and you're not commenting it. So it should be a win-win situation for both of us, right? If you do good, you will have good. So with that in mind, please subscribe, and I will bring some benefit to you. I will give some content which is actually relevant and not just say anything randomly. And at last, I would just say one request: just comment down that I am a CA finalist in September 25. You write in present tense. You should manifest something which is already done, so that it happens. That is what I believe. So the just one request: you write your name. Supposingly, I will write, I am a CA finalist, Kaushal, in September 2025 attempt, in the comments. I want everyone of you to write this. Otherwise, I'm not doing it. Any of the stuff which I told in the video. Alright, let's learn together. Let's rock our exams. Bye guys.